Flower gardening ideas for home, easy and beautiful garden tips. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some simple and beautiful flower gardening ideas that you can easily try at home. Whether you live in a house or an apartment, these ideas will help you create a colourful and peaceful garden space. First of all, choose the right flowers for your area. Flowers like petunia, marigold, rose, zinnia and portulaca grow very well in home gardens and need less care. If you have limited space, container gardening is the best option. Use pots, hanging baskets, old buckets or recycled containers. Just make sure there are drainage holes at the bottom. Next, prepare healthy soil. Mix garden soil with compost or organic fertilizer. Good soil helps flowers grow faster and bloom more. Now let's talk about sunlight and watering. Most flowering plants need at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Water your plants in the morning or evening, but avoid overwatering. To make your garden more attractive, mix different colors of flowers. You can also place pots at different heights for a beautiful look. Regularly remove dry leaves and faded flowers. This helps the plant stay healthy and encourages new blooms. Lastly, remember that gardening is not just about flowers, it's about peace, patience, and happiness. Spend a little time with your plants every day, and they will reward you with beauty and freshness.